Hey gang, just want to give you a quick unboxing of this Smurley. This is the cheese board. It's made of premium bamboo. It says it's a charcuterie board, so I just wanted just to get this going and get this unboxed here.
We are excited to put this charcuterie board to the test and test it out for ourselves
There
because
you
we always
go.
wanted something that had
That.
meats and cheeses on there and really was a cool way to have some fruits and some dips for the party.
All right, well, this is a nice box. It has a nice outside here. Let's try to open this thing up.
And this is really just an awesome board to have. So we're really excited about it.
There's that. There we go.
My first impression of this charcuterie board is I can tell just how well it's built. It's solidly built with this bamboo wood. This is a great little round server for like fruits and stuff like that. And it comes with two ceramic bowls. And underneath here is the charcuterie board. And this again is very well built. It's nice and sturdy. As I bring that up, and it has this little tray underneath here with all the different knives, and more on those later, and well as the little markers and little marker handles as well. So we'll talk a little bit more about that and kind of how all this works. It really has everything you need when it comes to a charcuterie board, and really excited to get this thing going and kind of show you kind of with different cheeses on it, kind of how a nice spread on a charcuterie board works.
I just wanted to go over a little bit of the maintenance and care of this charcuterie board. First, you want to make sure that you oil your board regularly when it's dry. You also want to use food grade mineral oil. Avoid harsh and abrasive cleaning solutions. Tip number 4 is to hand wash your board with just some soap and let it dry thoroughly. You want to avoid using cooking oil, bleach, cleaning solvent, rubbing alcohol, and the dishwasher. You want to make sure that you use lemon juice, baking soda, and food grade mineral oil. They say for tough stains that you can scrub it with some coarse salt over the surface with a sponge and then rinse and dry. And odors, you want to use a paste of baking soda and water over the board to and rinse and dry that afterwards. And then you want to use the food grade mineral oil after it's fully dried. So those are the hints and tips. And here's a couple of things. These are the markers that it comes with that you can write and tell people what's on the charcuterie board. It also comes with the different knives. This is a straight knife, more for hard block cheeses, and this is more for round style cheeses like the Breeze. And this is for soft cheeses, and this kind of holds the cheese in place as you're cutting it. So that's just a couple of things about this.
Overall, this charcuterie board is so well built and has everything that you need in a charcuterie board. I would highly recommend this board. Hope this was helpful for you.